Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I'll try to discuss with you the four common mistake for businessmen and online ads. As already write down, you can see the one is the running ads without proper tracking. Actually, if you without tracking, you can track user behavior. Like if some people is come your website, you can't track like who people is page view, add to cart, view item, even check out, but not persons. How many people is purchase? If you not track, you can't to again remarketing this type of people. Also, if you send like your parcels data, like how many people is parcel this data, if you send on your targeted campaign like Meta or Google, then actually this platform when receive the parcels and customer data like first name, last name, and address, understand the customer behavior, like purchase behavior. Understand? So that's why I think we should at first, uh, at first we need to the tracking setup. Then you try to run ads. It will be better for you. First thing. Next one. Actually, most of the people are trying to the targeting the board or wrong audience. At first, you need to the focus like which people is your main targeted people. Okay, what kind of people is your targeted people? Like your product is like beauty product, so most of the people like female people is need for this one, right? So also at first need to the choose the which country to do you want to the run as this country person, actually what type of behavior we need to that first identify and research. Okay, then this type of you can do this the like one kind of A/B testing. You can two asset create and one asset for broad and one asset for specific audience you can select and check. Understand, that is the good. Also most of the another actually most of the people focus only the clicks but not conversion. So it's good that you are focusing the click but not only focusing the click, because your main goal is the conversion like sales or lead, right? So you need to the actually funnel maintain step by step. You need to the actually analyze how many people is come here, how many people is that to check out, but not also this type of you need to the find out. So it's for actually we can see directly our main focus in the conversion. Okay. So another four common mistake is not testing the creatives or offer. Actually, most of people trying to the like client give me the some details copy and paste, but this is not good for you. Okay, this is not good for you. You need at first website analysis, website landing page, website speed optimization, everything is good, that's fine. Then you need to the next step, like you need to the competitor research, okay, properly, keyword research. Then you can run the S. Without this mistake, your budget will be brought. I hope you guys, you are not mistake right now this issue. Okay, so if you try to the follow this step, I hope your campaign will be good, and also in future your campaign will be good platform. Okay, so do you want to audit your ads and tracking? So don't be audit, you just feel free message me on suitable social media. You can Facebook, WhatsApp, and email, no issue. So, if you have any question, you can just comment me on this video. I'll try to the reply, and also see you the another video. Till then, take care.